say, hot sun of autumn, the temperatures inside the tent was about 30 degrees. So I can imagine how I can lead a lesson with students in a tent of 30 degrees.
Louise in Surrey loves this, loves the collaboration, and runs to it quite a lot. Oh, it's a good one to run to this. Really good. Dylan and Bastille this week is the Breakfast Show Tune of the Week. Prolific is Dylan. I woke up this morning and she'd released another new song. She can't help herself. Just hits coming out of everywhere.